Hello students, good afternoon. Today, in last period, we have studied about the fantastic poem, that is 1.1 life. Okay, we are studying about the life. Today we are going to study a little bit about the Swiss Emily Robinson. It is called a synopsis. A synopsis. The Swiss Emily Robinson 1.2. Synopsis. Synopsis. The Swiss family Robinson. This is the novel. This is novel. A synopsis. Synopsis means what? A summary. Summary. We are going to study. We are going to learn about the summary. We are going to study about the summary of the Swiss family Robinson. Better to start here. Synopsis. The Swiss family Robinson. The Swiss family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. Look at this is the synopsis. It is the Swiss family Robinson. It is one adventure novel. It is a novel. It is an adventure novel, and it has read around about since from 200 years ago. Okay, the people are reading it and enjoying this novel. The novel is written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David Wyss. Is not just an adventure. Okay, this novel is written by Swiss clergyman Johann David Wyss. This is novel written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David Wyss, and it is not an adventure, just an adventure, but it aims at teaching young people values like a self-reliance. It teaches us values. Which are those values? Yes, values like a self-reliance. Self-reliance. This self-reliance is very important, I think. Nowadays, if you think about the danger disease that is corona, understand? Coronavirus. If you want to be avoid, yes, such a deadly disease, yes, we should be self-reliant. We should be self-reliant. This means we have to do our work, understand ourselves, understand. Then our needs we have to solve ourselves. Self-reliance, determination. Second one is determination. Determination. We should be firm. Our decision should be firm. Okay. Then next one, love for your family. Love for family. Love for family. Next one is love for family. Next. Love for family. Love for family. Next one is again cooperation. And prudent use of natural resources. Well use of natural resources. These are these are the values we can learn through this novel, the Swiss family Robinson. Let's start. Look here, it has also good lessons related to natural sciences, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Yeah. It also tells us, it also gives ideas about the natural sciences, good husbandry, okay, and even mathematics, it means the measurement and all, okay. Then calculations, measurements, okay, and some what you call animal husbandry, etc. Good husbandry means animal husbandry, okay, which deals with the agricultural work, okay. Not only that, you can study, you can get an idea about the natural sciences, okay, natural sciences also. Then some elements of the novel, what you call, some elements of the novel to stretch reality to a certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction and not a fact file. Yes, this novel is not a fact file. Understand? It is not a reality. It is a fiction. It is imagination. This novel deals with the fiction, imagination. It is not a fact file. Okay. Given below is a synopsis and outline of this basic story. An outline of this basic story. We are going to study about the basic outline of the story. Okay. We are going to study thoroughly, no doubt, but some outline. Okay, outline of basic story. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Who were traveling the ship? William, Elizabeth, and their children. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Okay, the ship was caught in a great storm. Okay, then I think you know very well about the meaning of the storm. Understand which one type of a storm or what do you call that, typhoons, etc., which comes in wind, horrible wind, okay, which comes, which creates in the seas, in oceans, etc. It is called as a storm. Okay, the other passengers evacuated without them. Look here, William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship. Not only they were traveling in the ship, but other passengers were also there. Okay, but because of the storm, what happened? The other passengers evacuated without them. The passengers, other passengers, they escaped. They left the ship. Okay, to save themselves. They left. The other passengers, they left their what you call ships, and they to save their life, etc. And they went there. Okay, the William and his family, including the young children, Fitch, Ernest, Jack, and Frank, were left to survive alone. Okay, what happened? The William, Elizabeth, and their children, called as the Fitch, Ernest, Jack, and Frank. There were the 4 children. Fitch, Ernest, Jack, and Frank, and these two, Elizabeth and William. They only left on the ship. Survived. They left there. Okay, survived on the ship. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. Yes, they weathered the great storm. They faced the problem of that great storm. Okay, waiting in the ship's hold. In hold means a space which you can find on the ship. Okay, and they stayed there only. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. The ship survived the night. The ship survived the night. The total night throughout the night. What happened with William, Elizabeth, and their children? They left. They lived on their ship only throughout the night. The ship survived, and they find there some area. What type of area? The great tropical desert island. They see that tropical desert island. Okay. Then the next morning, they decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the reef. Okay, they could see. They seen some beyond the reef. What happened? They seen something. They seen what they seen beyond the reef. That rocks and what I call sand, etc. Okay, reef. Reef means rocks and sand. Rocks and sand. We call it the reef. Okay. Look here. The ship survived the night, and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. The family found themselves means they came just nearby. What call they seen that the tropical desert island. They decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the reef. As they see rocks and what call sands just nearby the below the sea, etc. And they decided to get on the island. Okay, that tropical island. The next morning, they decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the reef. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs, out of whichever the tubs were there in that ship. Yes, with much trouble, what happened? They built one what you call vessel. Okay, a small what you call means a boat. The vessel means we have to take the meaning of vessel here is a boat. P-S-S-E-L. P-S-S-E-L. They built one vessel means boat. Okay, with the help of the tubs and with a great trouble they built that vessel. Okay, whichever the tubs were get or bought by the ship, etc. And after they filled the tubs with the food and ammunition. Yes, after that they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry. They rowed toward the island. Yes, they seen that after that throughout the night they became in that ship only. And next morning, what happened? They seen that they found themselves on the what you call the tropical island, tropical desert island, and they decided to land on that island. That's why they what happened? They built one vessel with the help of the tubs, which are the tubs were on the in that ship, and they decided and they built one vessel. It means boat. They built one boat, and whichever the food materials, ammunitions, important materials were there. Okay, they all materials etc. They filled with the tubs and started to move towards the island. I think you understood. You enjoyed this novel in well manner. We will continue this lesson or this novel in next period. Till then, you just want to take homework for your study. Okay. How did the family reach the how did the family reach the tropical island? Second, name the family. Name the characters. Name the characters in Swiss family. Thank you. Have a nice day.